Hello everyone, welcome back to School Coaching Point. So in this video today we will learn one important questions from simple equation, and simple equation is given in class 7. So here is the question: 15 by x minus 1 equals to 2. So before going to the main solution part, I would like to give you some explanation. So regarding the transposition, what do you mean by transpose? So this kind of question, how to solve an equation, so the basic point or the main point you should remember, we have to write the variable alone at the last. That means there should not be any number assigned with the variable. This is the trick number 1, or the main step you should remember. That means at last there should not be any number assigned with the variable. That means the variable x should be alone, in either in left hand side or either in right hand side. This is the main concept you should remember. Now in this question, 15 by x minus 1 equals to 2. Now what do you mean by transposition? Transposition means, suppose I am writing one more equation, x plus 1 equals to 2. Suppose if this 1 you are shifting to the right hand side, it becomes it is known as the transposition. So shifting of 1 to the right hand side means the transpose 1 to the right hand side. Suppose 2 is shifting to the left hand side, that means transpose 2 to the left hand side. This is the meaning of transpose. And one thing you should remember, when you transpose a variable or a number to the right hand side, or you can say to the left hand side, their sign changes. So what is the meaning? So in this example, plus 1 is given. So when we transpose 1 to the right hand side, this plus sign becomes the minus. So what is the meaning? So when you transpose 1 to the right hand side, it becomes 2 minus 1. Why it is 2 minus 1? Just now I told the sign change. So when you have done the transposition, that means when you transpose to the right hand side, the sign change. Initially the plus sign, now it becomes the minus sign. So it's vice versa. So what is the meaning? X minus 1 is, suppose it is given, then also same, 1 is transposed to the right hand side. So in this case here it is minus 1 is given. So when it's transposed to the right hand side, it becomes the plus 1. Okay, that means when you have done the transposition, the sign change. This is the main key point you should remember. Okay, now suppose x by 2 is given. So that time what to do? So exactly same concept. So in this case, these two, suppose we have to remove this 2. Okay, so I already told earlier, the variable should be alone. There should not be any number assigned with the variable at last. So these 2 we should remove. So how can you remove this 2? That means 2 we need to shift it to the right hand side. So when a number is divided and you are shifting to the right hand side, it becomes multiply. So in the next step we should write 1 into 2, because in the left hand side it is divided, division is given, division sign is given, division is there, x by 2 divided. So when you shift it to the right hand side, it becomes multiply. Similarly, suppose if twice x is given, okay, then suppose twice x is 1, so here 2 is multiplied with x. So when this 2 is shifted to the right, it becomes divided, because here 2 into x, in this case it is multiply. So when you shift it to the right, it becomes divided. That means x should be 1 by 2. X should be 1 by 2. Okay. Now let's move to the solution part. So here the question is 15 by x minus 1 equals to 2. So your first step will be what? So I already told earlier, there should not be any number with the variable. There should not be any number assigned with the variable at the last step. So the number we should remove 1 by 1. So first of all we should remove this minus 1. How can you remove this minus 1? Shifting this minus 1 to the right hand side. So I already explained the transposition. Transpose means this minus 1 we need to transpose to the right hand side, so it becomes plus 1. So sign change, minus, when it is minus, when it's shifted to the right or left, the sign changes to plus. Just now I told. Now 15 by x, 2 plus 3, how much we got? It will be 3. Now in this case what to do? So 15 by x is there, okay, so 15 by x. So in this case what to do? This x we need to shift it to the right hand side, okay, this x we need to shift it to the right hand side. So just now I told when a number or when a variable, in this case the variable is divided, so concept is same. So division sign, so when you shift it to the right hand side it becomes the multiply, it becomes multiplied, so 3 into x. So in the left hand side 15 by x divided, so when you shift it to the right it becomes multiply, so it will be 3 into x. So 15 is equals to 3 into x means thrice x, okay. Now in this case what to do? So this 3 is assigned with x, that means now this 3 we have to remove. So how can we will remove this 3? So 3 is x, 3 is multiplied with x. So when we remove this 3, that means when this 3 shifted to the left hand side it will be divided, because 3 is multiplied with x in this step. So 3 is multiplied, so when it shifted to the left, okay, so it becomes divide. So answer will be what? X equals to 15 by 3 means 5. So what is the key point you should remember? When a number is, when minus sign is given before the number or the variable, when we shift it to the left or right it becomes plus. When plus sign is given then it will be minus. When into or multiplication sign is given it becomes divide. When divide sign is given it becomes what? Multiply. So this is the key rule you should remember to solve this kind of question. So what should be the answer? X equals to 5. So here is the second question. So how to solve this question? So I already told before, there should not be any number assigned with the variable at the last step. That means we have to remove the numbers one by one. So first of all 8 minus 3 by x is given. So this 8 we have to shift it to the right hand side. So it becomes what? 3 minus 3 by x. So this 8, that means here plus sign is, nothing is given mean plus sign. So here 8 is positive. So when we shift it to the right hand side, I already told before, it will be 7 minus 8, because the sign changes when we do the transposition. So 8 transpose to the right it becomes minus 8. So it will be minus 3 by 8. So 7 minus 8 it will be minus 1, okay. Now so in the right hand side minus sign, in the left hand side minus sign, so you can cancel the minus, so it becomes 3 by x equals to 1. Now this x we need to transpose, or you can say we need to shift to the right hand side. So I already explained. So here it is divided, so when we shift it to the left or right it becomes what? Multiply. That means 1 into x. So you can say 3 equals to x. So what should be the answer? X equals to 3. Okay. Now in the next video we will do few more important questions from the simple equation. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Thank you.